Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. I welcome you all to lecture number 8, Mathematics Class 8, Unit 6. The title of this unit is Algebra. We are starting this unit today. A brief overview of this unit. You will study whole squares of binomials in it. There are two types of it. One is the sum formula and the other is a difference formula. You are familiar with these formulas, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and then you will see the factorization also with the help of these formulas. Then you will see the difference of squares formula, which is a square minus b square. You are also familiar with it a little in your previous class. You have studied it, and factorization by using this formula also. And then you will see whole cube of binomials. There are two formulas for it. One is for plus and other is for minus. A plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, and factorization with the help of both of these formulas. And then you will see simultaneous linear equations and its solution with the help of two methods. The one is substitution method and the other is elimination method. My dear students, today's topic is the first formula, the whole square of binomial, the sum formula, sum of the terms in a binomial, which is called a plus b whole square, formula number 1, algebraic formula number 1, or identity number 1. And I will show you the visual proof of a plus b whole square, and then afterwards we will solve a few questions from the exercise, inshallah. Let's recap a few things. First of all, let's see a square. And for example, it's one side is 1 centimeter. And if it's one side is 1 centimeter, its all sides will be 1 centimeter because it's a square. So other side, let's say it's also 1 centimeter. If I want to find out the area, I will multiply this 1 with this 1 to get its area, because the formula is length multiplied by length. Here I want to show you visually how what centimeter is related to this square. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 centimeter square. Look at this 1 centimeter square. It is a square of 1 centimeter, written like this, square of 1 centimeter. And now look at this diagram. It is a square of 1 centimeter. So in this way, visually a 1 centimeter square is related to a square which is drawn in 2 dimensions like this. So in this way, we can write down the area, and we can relate this area with this square concept and visually an actual square. If we change the dimensions, for example, instead of 1, if I write a over here, the length of the side is a, so area of the square will be a square now, right? So whatever is the length of the side, we multiply the lengths with each other to get the area of the square. The same is with the rectangle. For example, if we have a rectangle and its dimensions are, for example, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and if we want to find out the area of the rectangle, we will multiply the length and the width to get its area, and it will be 6 centimeter square. Now look at this 6 centimeter square and try to find out this 6 centimeter square over here. What is the relationship of this 6 centimeter square with this 3, with this 2, and with this rectangle, right? So this 3 centimeter means there are 3 centimeters actually here, and 2 centimeter means it's this line is of 2 centimeter, and we can show this by drawing certain lines. For example, now you can see 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeter, and another line will show this 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now count the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in this way, we can have squares of 6 squares of 1 centimeter each. These are 6 squares of 1 centimeter each. जैसे आप देखिए ये 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर था जब इसकी डायमेंशन 1 सेंटीमीटर थी, तो इसी तरह ये हर एक जो है ये 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर है, और ये कितने स्क्वायर्स हैं? 6. तो इस तरह विजुअली ये एरियाज और उनके जो डायमेंशंस और उनके वैल्यूज और लेंथ्स जो हैं वो इस तरह से रिलेटेड होते हैं. सो अगर हम ये वैल्यूज चेंज करें, फॉर एग्जांपल इस 3 की बजाय if we have a as length and b as width, then the area of the rectangle will be a multiplied by b, right? So the area of the square length into length and the area of the rectangle length multiplied by width. They are very helpful tools for us, not only in arithmetic but in algebra. As now in the next slide you will also see that you will take the help of these formulas for the understanding of the visual proof of a plus b whole square. Let's see. So we have a square and its color is orange. Focus on the color also. This time we are taking the help of colors also, right? I am dividing it into certain portions. I'm dividing it into four portions, two squares and two rectangles, and I'm allocating some lengths to it. This smaller length as A and this bigger length as B. This smaller length A and this bigger length B. मैंने दो lengths इसमें define कर दी, right? A and B. B is bigger and A is a smaller length. अगर ये A है तो ये लेंथ भी A है, ये लेंथ भी A है, ये लेंथ भी A है, राइट? ये लेंथ भी A होगी और ये लेंथ B है, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक B है, बिकॉज यहाँ से यहाँ तक B है, इसलिए ये भी B है क्योंकि ये एक स्क्वायर है. अब अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये फुल स्क्वायर जो ऑरेंज स्क्वायर है इसकी पूरी साइड की लेंथ कैलकुलेट करना चाहूँ तो डेफिनेटली आई विल बी एडिंग दीज टू लेंथ्स A plus B, right? So it will be A plus B, like this. And as it is a square, so this side will also be A plus B, right? And now if I want to calculate the area of this whole square, I will be multiplying this A plus B with A plus B to find the area. So it will be A plus B whole square. Now keep this in mind that the area of orange square is A plus B, right? Now I am dividing it again into four portions, जैसे मैंने पहले divide किया था. And now I will be changing the colors. I am changing the color of this square into blue. I have changed and this length was A. Now I will shift this square to this place and write down its area inside it. As it is a square and its side is A, so A into A will be A square, so its area is A square. I will write down the area over here, right? Now come to this square. As it is a square and its length of one side is B, look, it is B, right? I'm just changing the color of this square. I'm changing it to green and its side is B, so its area will be B into B, B square. So I'm shifting it over here and I'm writing its area inside it, right? So I have shifted these two squares from here to this place. Now these two rectangles are left. I'm changing the colors of these also and I will find the areas. अब rectangle का area कैसे find होता है? Length multiplied by width. पहले इसका color change कर लेते हैं. It's yellow now और ये length है इसकी. What is its value? It's B, right? And what is the width? It's A. So A multiplied by B will be the area. So I'm shifting it over here and I'm writing its area here. I will be shifting the last rectangle over there and I will be writing its area, which will be AB. So first of all, change its color. Its dimensions are B and A, and multiply B and A, we will get AB. So I'm shifting and writing its area AB inside it. So all the four closed figures have been shifted over here and their areas are written inside it, right? So I'm adding all these areas, A square plus B square plus AB plus AB, and I'm writing it down over here below the diagram. A square plus B square plus AB and AB after addition they give me A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? So ये जो इस वक्त आंसर आया ये इस डायग्राम के चारों एरियाज हैं और यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज द फुल एरिया ऑफ दिस फुल डायग्राम. और ये फुल डायग्राम हमारे पास कहाँ से आई? यहाँ से आई थी. इनिशियली इट वाज ऑरेंज इन कलर, इसीलिए मैंने आपसे कहा था कि कीप दिस ऑरेंज कलर इन योर माइंड और ये भी जहन में रखें कि इस ऑरेंज कलर के स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या था. इट वाज A plus B होल स्क्वायर. सो इट मीन्स के जब हमने इस ऑरेंज कलर स्क्वायर को इन कलर्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और कन्वर्ट करने के बाद यहाँ शिफ्ट किया तो वो एरियाज कन्वर्ट हो गए ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab में. बट इनिशियली it was like this. It was orange in color. So these two areas are actually, it means they are equal. क्योंकि सिर्फ color change हुआ है, the covered surface is not changed. The area has remained the same. Either it was in a plus b whole square shape or it is in a square plus b square plus 2ab shape. So it means I can equate the two areas. So a plus b plus whole square will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what we have done is the uh, algebraic formula and its visual proof of formula number 1, which is called algebraic formula number 1 or identity number 1. So we have learned a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab or ab, or we can write it in words as first term plus second term whole square is equal to first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 into first term into second term. This is the first term and this is the second term, and this is the algebraic formula number 1, and we can also call it identity number 1. Now we will apply it in exercise 6a, question number 1. Expand a plus 6 whole square. What is the meaning of this expand? Expand means a plus 6, it's a binomial, and elaborate it, expand it, open करें इसको, खोल कर लिखें. So जब हम खोल कर लिखेंगे तो इसकी 3 टर्म्स आएंगी. As we know कि जब हम algebraic formula लिखते हैं स्टेटमेंट में, फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सेकंड टर्म होल स्क्वायर, ये उसकी कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म है, कंपोज्ड फॉर्म है. The left hand side of the formula, and this is the right hand side of the formula. The formula is having two sides. On the right hand side we are having first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 into first term into second term. और इसको symbolically हम briefly किस तरह लिखते हैं, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. Now we will write down our question, which is a plus 6 whole square, and we will substitute the values of the first and the second term in the formula. First of all, I will write down the blank slots, 3 blank slots, or all blank slots in 3 places, right? The first place will be filled by the first term, which is a in the question and in the formula also. So first term is a, second term is 6. Here 2 into first term is a and into second term is 6. Now just solve them. A square is a square, 6 square is 36, 2 into a into 6 is 12a. So this is the expansion of this a plus 6 whole square, and this a plus 6 whole square is the composed form of a square plus 36 plus 12a. And that's all. And now come to the next question. Expand 2a plus 4 whole square. So we will be writing down the formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And our question is 2a plus 4 whole square. We will substitute the value of the first and the second term. We will write down the blank slots first, and then we will fill the values by the respective value of the first term and the second term. First term is 2a, and here the second term is 4. Here the first term is 2a, and here the second term is 4. Now solve 2a into 2a is 4a square. 4 square is 16, and 2 into 2a into 4 is 16a. So that is the expanded form of 2a plus 4 whole square. And now we will move to part C of question number 1. Expand 3c plus 5 whole square. It's a binomial, and the formula of the sum. So write its formula in words and in symbols. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then write down the question 3c plus 5 and substitute the values of the first and the second term. First term, first write down the blank slots and then fill the blank slots by the values. The first term is 3c. So first term will be filled with 3c value. The second term is 5. So it will be filled with 5. Here 2 into first term is 3c and second term is 5. Now 3c whole square, we know that it is 9c square. 5 square is 25. 2 into 3c into 5 is 30c. So this is the expanded form of 3c plus 5, or we can say that 3c plus 5 is the composed or compact form of 9c square plus 25 plus 30c. Now we will move towards the next part of this question, and we have to expand 2a plus 3m whole square. Write down the formula in words and in expressions both, and then write down the question below it, 2a plus 3m whole square, and substitute the values of the first and the second term. As we can see, the first term is 2a and the second term is 3m. I'll be writing down the blank slots first for your convenience, and then I will fill these with the first and the second terms. First term is 2a, second term is 3m, first term is 2a and second term is 3m. 2a whole square means 2a multiplied by 2a. It will give us 4a square. 2b 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और a भी a से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 2a को 2a से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब ये वैल्यू आएगी. बिल्कुल ऐसी जैसे अब आप करेंगे 3m को 3m से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 9m स्क्वायर, और इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल बी 12am. Right? So it is the expanded form of 2a plus 3m. Now we will see a different application of it, and that is the expansion of 102 whole square. So this is not a binomial this time, but we have to solve it by using the algebraic formula. So we will ourselves convert it into a binomial, and an easy way of converting it is that we can write it in the form of two terms. 102 can be written in the form of two terms like this: 100 plus 2. अगर इस 102 की जगह हमारे पास होता 53 होल स्क्वायर तो हम उसे लिखते 50 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. राइट? हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम इसे जीरो डिजिट के नंबर के साथ एसोसिएट करके लिखें, बिकॉज दैट इज कन्वीनियंट फॉर अस. हाँ, हम इसे और भी बहुत से तरीकों से लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम इसे 90 प्लस 12 भी लिख सकते हैं, बट दैट वुड नॉट बी दैट मच कन्वीनियंट. 100 प्लस 2 ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट है बिकॉज इट्स अ जीरो डिजिट नंबर, तो इसमें स्क्वायर्स कैलकुलेशन आसान है. तो कन्वीनियंस के लिए हम इसको इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. So now it is a plus b whole square. Write down the formula in words and in expression. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. And write down the question, which is now 100 plus 2 whole square. Substitute the value of the first term and the second term. First term now is 100 and second term is 2. Right? I will write down blank slots first, and then I will fill the values so that you can easily see what is the first and second term and how they are substituted. In the first place I will write down 100, and in the second place I will write down 2. Here is the value of a, which is 100. Here is the value of b, which is 2. And 100 square is 10,000, and then 2 square is 4, and then 2 into 100 into 2 is 400. And after adding all these, I'm getting 14641, 10404 as an answer. And if we multiply 102 with 102, we can also have the value 10404. अब डायरेक्टली भी आप ये कैलकुलेशन अपने कैलकुलेटर पे कर सकते हैं. 102 को 102 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आप देखेंगे कि आपके पास 10404 डायरेक्टली आएगा, और अगर आप उसे बाइनोमियल में कन्वर्ट करके स्क्वायर फाइंड करते हैं तो भी आपके पास 10404 आंसर आया. ठीक है. सो इसी तरह का एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. 121 whole square. Right? Now we will convert it into a binomial. 120 plus 1. It's a binomial now. Now we can apply formula. Write down formula and its symbolic form. A square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Write down the question. 120 plus 1. जिस फॉर्म में आप हमने इसको substitute करना है. Now substitute the value of the first and second term. Write down the blank slots and then write down the value of a, which is 120, the value of b, which is 1, the value of a, which is 120, and the value of b, which is 1. 120 whole square is 14400. 1 square is 1, and 2 into 120 into 1 is 240, and the sum of these all of these is 14641. और अगर हम directly भी 121 को 121 से multiply करें तो 14641 obtain हो जाएगा. And next we will see an expansion, which is very very important for the understanding of some questions from this exercise later on. Question number 3 and 4 में आप देखेंगे कि इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा application आपको नजर आएगी, और ये इसको इसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और 9th क्लास में भी आप इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटेंसिव एप्लीकेशन देखेंगे. A is x and b is 1 over x, and we have to expand it by using the same formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you will see that I'm substituting the value of the first and the second term after writing down the blank slots first. Now see, the first term is x. Here I'm putting x. The second term is 1 over x. I'm putting 1 over x. 2 into first term and second term. Now as I write down first and the second term, I can see that x and 1 over x here, they are cancelled with each other. X multiplied by 1 over x, they are cancelled with each other, and we are left with 2 only. That is why this is important for us to understand these types of the terms in place of a and b. And now we will solve them. X square is x square. 1 over x square is 1 over x whole square, means the square of 1, which is 1, the square of x, which is x square. And because they were cancelled and we are left with only 2 multiplied by 1, so here we will be having only plus 2. So our answer is x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. Right? So I hope it is clear. So the summary of our today's lecture is that we have tried to understand the formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. ये इसकी expanded form है, ये इसकी compact form है, composed form है, और इसकी हमने कुछ applications learn की हैं, which is called first term plus second term whole square is equal to first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 into first term into second term, and this is called identity number 1 or algebraic formula number 1. Now note down your homework, write down the summary of the lecture on your neat copy and write exercise 6a, question 1 part A, B, C, E, and question number 2 part A on your neat copy. Then you have to think and write the answers of the following questions on your rough copy. What is y plus 1 over y whole square equal to? What is y square plus 1 over y square whole square equal to? Now the value of A is y square and the value of B is 1 over y square. So आई एम वेटिंग कि आप इसका क्या आंसर देते हैं. मे बी मैं इसको अपनी असाइनमेंट के अंदर भी शामिल करूं, तो आप इसको ज़रा केयरफुली सॉल्व करें. इट्स लाइक अ चैलेंज फॉर यू. And expand 3c plus 7d whole square, it's not that difficult. I have already explained a lot about these types of questions. I hope you will practice to learn better, because I believe that reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.